Brenham traffic, Skyhawk 2 Mike Alpha is now taking the active runway 16 will be departure to the west. Brenham.
And Brenham traffic, Cessna 77 Alpha Foxtrot's 10 miles to the east. We'll be entering a 45-degree left downwind for 16, Brenham traffic.
Yeah, you can see the showers over there. We're getting out just in time. Ah, here we go. Brenham traffic, Skyhawk 2 Mike Alpha is now the upwind for runway 16. We're going to be a departure to the west. Brenham.
Brenham traffic, King Air 9104 is about 5 miles to the west. Be entering over a mid-field, 1,500 feet or so for a left downwind to runway 16 full stop.
And Brenham traffic, Cessna 77 Alpha Foxtrot's about 7 miles to the east. We'll be entering a 45-degree left downwind for 16, Brenham traffic.
All right. Fast carriage, quick carriage mixture, seat belts.
Southwest 277, visual 17 right.
Southwest 277, Austin Tower, runway 17 right, clear to land.
17 right, clear to land, Southwest 277.
Jet speed 844, we're ready.
Speed 844, hold short 17 left, traffic's turning 3/4 mile final.
Hold it short, jet speed 844.
There we go, look at that, right on the money.
Yeah, 1183 Austin Tower, yep.
1183 is with you.
1183, traffic's on a 10-mile final, turn right, heading a 190, 17 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, right turn 190, 17 right, clear for takeoff, United 1183.
Jet speed 844, runway 17 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, jet speed 844. That was a better landing.
That was 277, continue for the right, traffic your company be holding.
Alright, continue now, so it's 277.
3604, runway 17 right, line up and wait, company traffic, 5-mile final.
Line up and wait, runway 17 right, Southwest 3604.
Skyhawk 2 Mike Alpha, turn right at Juliet, contact ground point 9.
Juliet and ground point 9, 2 Mike Alpha, thank you.